The accelerating speed of business demands a back-end storage solution that keeps end users, sales, and IT happy. Whether it's running operations as usual, doing IT work on top of its normal workload, or recovering from an unexpected failure. When we set up and tested comparable all-flash storage arrays from Dell EMC and HPE, the VMAX 250F kept latency under 1 millisecond when simultaneously processing transactional and datamart workloads, with minimal impact from the datamart load, unlike the HPE solution. This ensures end users don't experience noticeable wait times, even with extra work going on behind the scenes. The HPE 3-par solution slowed down when we added the datamart load, and wait times increased dramatically. A step down in performance, such as the one we encountered with HPE, can negatively affect customer experience. Furthermore, the Dell EMC solution did not experience a dramatic performance loss during load times. This means IT doesn't have to work off hours, and your personnel can access up-to-the-minute numbers. We also configured remote replication with a second array in each environment and interrupted access to both local storage arrays to see how they handled an unexpected failure. The Dell EMC database host seamlessly redirected all work to the remote VMAX 250F via SRDF Metro, with no interruption of service or downtime. This is another way the VMAX solution makes IT's job easier. In contrast, the HPE 3-par workload failed until the standby paths became active and we restarted the VM. In the end, the VMAX 250F lived up to its promises better than the 3-par 8450 did. Read the full report to see why the Dell EMC VMAX 250F all-flash storage array is a strong option for businesses looking for performance they can rely on.